So it's Sunday and we're going to be hoovering the Jaguar. It's actually not too bad in the week's worth of use, but let's see, yeah, it's not terrible. Just needs a little bit of a clean and we'll give it a wash outside as well. So my attempt at making the carpets look cool, like professionally valeted, you can judge for yourself. So here's the engine bay before, apologies for the traffic noise. Yeah, a little bit dusty, so let's see what we can get on with this. What did we think? A little bit cleaner. Still some sand and stuff annoyingly in the grooves, but a quick wipe down, some cleaner and shine, and it's looking alright. It's not doing any car shows, but at least it's a bit cleaner for my sanity. What do you think?